Welcome to Wealthy Mindset, your go-to personal finance channel. We will help you achieve financial success step by step. We believe that anyone can become wealthy. We share personal finance tips and tricks for individuals. At any level, we offer practical solutions for reducing debt and increasing savings. We will explore investing strategies to grow your wealth over time. We will show you how to plan for retirement and achieve financial independence. We talk about smart spending habits and how to budget effectively. We provide guidance for achieving your financial goals in a realistic way. We will teach you how to manage your money and make it work for you. We believe that financial literacy is essential to creating a wealthy mindset. We will help you to build a strong financial foundation that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more personal finance videos.